Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into Facebook in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the middle, we have Live Pass, Live Today, Leaks, PvP, limited time events, showdown, and lastly campaigns. And in the bottom, you're going to find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. Basically, guys, in order to log into Facebook in NBA Live Mobile, go to the top right corner and then click on the little settings icon. Once you click on it, you're going to find yourself right here in this menu, which is the settings menu. So from here, you're going to find preferences, link accounts, gameplay tutorials, help manual, help, legal, language, start screen, change theme, user feedback, credits, and daily login reward. So go ahead and click on link account. So it's the second option. Click on the link button and then you're going to be right here. So right here, you're going to find Google Play Games, Facebook, device, and lastly, privacy and cookie policy. So right here next to Facebook, you're going to find this little link button. So if you click on link, right there, they're going to direct you to a page where you need to log into your Facebook account. And then once you log in to your Facebook account, it will be linked to your NBA Live mobile account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.